Union Home Minister Amit Shah has reported that heavy rains have caused a flood-like situation in Assam. He has spoken with Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma regarding the ongoing situation. The NDRF and SDRF are working tirelessly on relief and rescue operations for the victims. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has assured the people of Assam that the central government is committed to providing all possible assistance during these challenging times. On 1st July, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma received a call from Prime Minister Modi about the state's escalating flood situation. Congress leader and leader of opposition in Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi today visited Gujarat and addressed party workers there. During his speech, he took a dig at BJP over its defeat in Uttar Pradesh, Ayodhya, in the recently held Lok Sabha elections. He said Prime Minister Modi said he has direct connection with God, and why did BJP lose in Ayodhya? Congress Member of Parliament and leader of opposition in Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi is likely to visit Manipur on July 8, sources from the party said. He is expected to visit relief camps and also meet Manipur Congress leaders during his visit to the state. Gandhi is expected to go to places including Moirang and Churachandpur on the same day and interact with the internally displaced people who are taking refuge in relief camps as per sources. 4 bodies were found in a remote village in Meghalaya's East Jaintia Hills district today, police reported. The bodies with hands and feet tied and cut marks on the necks were discovered in a forest on the outskirts of Umpleng village. The bodies were found by workers this morning. We are investigating the incident, said Superintendent of Police Giri Prasad. He mentioned that the suspected the victims were from outside the state but cannot confirm until verification is completed. The police are determining whether the crime was committed on site or if the bodies were dumped at Umpleng. This is a developing story. Adding another feather to healthcare education in the state, Tinsukia Medical College and Hospital TMCH Assam has received official recognition from the National Medication Commission. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma took to X handle and made this announcement. With this recognition, Tinsukia Medical College and Hospital becomes the 13th institute for medical students in the northeastern state. Female candidates achieved several significant milestones in the UK general election 2024, breaking new ground and paving a path for more women in politics. About 242 women were elected to the House of Commons on July 4th, setting the record for the highest number ever elected to the parliament. The previous record was set in 2019 when 220 women were elected. Abhay Singh progressed to the finals in both men's and mixed doubles categories with his partners Valavan Senthilkumar and Joshna Chinappa, respectively, at the Asian Squash Doubles Championship in Malaysia today. He showed no signs of fatigue despite playing 2 tough semi-final matches within just 2 hours, winning both in straight games.